It's an e-bike I bought for my daughter about 2 years ago, and I was thinking about throwing it away after we found out that it's not working. As you can see, I had opened this up just to look inside because I never replaced the motor before. Never did nothing like this. As you can see, the motor right there. So when you turn it on, see how it lights up, hit that throttle. It don't do anything, but you can hear it, it's clicking. So I'm assuming the motor needs to be replaced. So the plan is, y'all, to get this fixed, replace the motor, surprise my daughter, because tomorrow is her birthday. I'm gonna clean this up, put air in the tire because the air is a little low. Yeah, bring this Razor Rambler 12 back to life. That way both of them can ride together. Yeah, but as you can see, that's the same color. I ain't even noticed that. Old motor, new motor. Nothing, still. That's crazy. I hear it clicking. There's two batteries in here, and I don't think it was ever the motor, but I'm gonna leave that motor in there. And just keep this in the shed. But it's the batteries, y'all. See that? My battery charger hooked up to the bike. And it's the batteries. Watch this, y'all. Look, let me lift this up. It's the batteries. Battery ain't no good. I just ordered 2 batteries. They should be in today. And I did I never seen this before. For $4.99, you can get it, I believe I seen within 3 hours. So it should be here around the 4 o'clock hour. So
3 hours later.
So you have 2 new batteries and a brand new motor. And after I get this going, we're gonna wash it, put some air in the tire, and get it ready for that morning surprise. All right, let's cross our fingers. Get that. Let's see what this wheel spin. Turn it on. Lift it up. One more time. How it look. New motor, 2 new batteries, everything plugged in, got that taped down. We don't need that coming off. Hopefully it don't. We'll see.